Hey everybody, Linus here, and today we're diving deep into the world of inverters. But not just any inverters, we're talking about the heavy hitters. Transformer-based versus transformerless inverters. You know, the kind of stuff that keeps your lights on and your gadgets powered up. We're going to break down the pros and cons of each, comparing everything from efficiency and durability to cost and safety. So if you're ready to make an informed decision about which inverter is right for you, stick around, smash that like button, and let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with transformer-based inverters. These bad boys have been around for ages and are known for their reliability, especially when it comes to handling heavy loads. Imagine these inverters like the workhorses of the power conversion world. They're built tough with a big, beefy transformer inside. See, a transformer's job is to step up or step down the voltage, kind of like a gear shifter in a car. But here's the cool part. Transformer-based inverters also provide something called galvanic isolation. This separation is crucial for safety, especially if you're dealing with sensitive electronics. It prevents dangerous voltage spikes from frying your precious gadgets. Think of it as an extra layer of protection against the unexpected. However, this robustness comes at a cost. Transformer-based inverters tend to be heavier, bulkier, and a bit more expensive than their transformerless counterparts. Plus, those big transformers can be a bit inefficient, losing some energy as heat. Now let's talk about transformerless inverters, the sleek sports cars of the inverter world. These guys ditch the bulky transformer and rely on some seriously clever electronic circuitry to convert DC to AC power. This makes them significantly smaller, lighter, and often more affordable than their transformer-based cousins. Plus, they tend to be more efficient, meaning they waste less energy as heat. Think of them as the energy-sipping hybrids of the inverter world. But here's the catch: because they lack that big, beefy transformer, transformerless inverters don't have that inherent galvanic isolation. This means there's no physical separation between the DC and AC sides, which can be a concern for safety, especially if you're not careful with the installation. Without that isolation, there's a potential for ground loops and other electrical gremlins to wreak havoc on your system. So, if you're going with a transformerless inverter, it's crucial to pay extra attention to grounding and safety measures during installation. Make sure you have a qualified electrician handle the job to avoid any unwanted surprises later on. Trust me, dealing with electrical problems is about as fun as a root canal. You want to avoid it at all costs. Alright, let's put these two inverter titans head to head in a battle of the specs. In the efficiency corner, we have the transformerless inverter, coming in with a higher efficiency rating. It's like the lightweight boxer, dancing around the ring, conserving energy with every move. In the opposite corner, we have the transformer-based inverter, packing a punch with its robust design but losing some points for efficiency. It's the heavyweight champion, capable of taking a beating but not as nimble as its opponent. When it comes to size and weight, the transformerless inverter takes the cake again. It's compact and easy to install like a stealthy ninja, while the transformer-based inverter is larger and heavier, more like a sumo wrestler. But don't let the size fool you. That sumo wrestler can handle some serious power surges. In terms of cost, the transformerless inverter usually comes out on top, making it a budget-friendly option. However, remember that safety is paramount. The transformer-based inverter, with its galvanic isolation, provides that extra layer of protection, which is crucial for sensitive electronics and industrial applications. It's like investing in a good insurance policy. It might cost a bit more upfront, but it can save you a lot of headaches in the long run. And finally, when it comes to durability, the transformer-based inverter is the clear winner. So, you're probably wondering, Linus, which inverter is right for me? Well, the answer, as always, is, it depends. It's like choosing the right tool for the job. You wouldn't use a screwdriver to hammer in a nail, right? If you're running a massive industrial operation with heavy machinery and need absolute reliability, a transformer-based inverter is your go-to choice. It's the heavy-duty pickup truck of the inverter world, built for tough jobs and rough terrain. On the other hand, if you're looking for an inverter for your home, solar panels, or a small business, a transformerless inverter might be the perfect fit. It's like the sleek and efficient sedan, perfect for everyday driving and saving you money on fuel. Alright, let's recap those advantages and disadvantages one last time before we wrap things up. Transformer-based inverters. They're like the reliable old friend who always has your back, even if they're a bit rough around the edges. They excel at handling heavy loads, laughing in the face of power surges, and providing that crucial galvanic isolation for safety. But they can be bulky, less efficient, and might set you back a bit more financially. Transformerless inverters, on the other hand, are the new kids on the block, sleek, efficient, and easy on the wallet. They're perfect for residential use, solar power systems, and situations where size and weight are major considerations. But remember, they lack that inherent galvanic isolation, so proper installation and grounding are absolutely crucial to avoid any electrical mishaps. Consider your power needs, budget, and the level of safety you require. Don't be afraid to consult with a qualified electrician to determine the best option for your specific situation. So there you have it, folks, the ins and outs of transformer-based versus transformerless inverters. Hopefully, you're now equipped with the knowledge to choose the perfect inverter for your needs. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance between power, efficiency, safety, and cost. Still have questions? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more energy solutions and inverter tips.